And now in this section, we want to learn how we can export from the infographic resume that we designed. You can do this from the File menu and Save As. Click Browse and then choose the storage location. And in the Save As type section, you can save your work in PDF format. And then when you click Save, a PDF export will be taken from your infographic resume. As you can see, if I zoom in on my file, you can see that the export of the file is very high quality and you can easily print it. And you can also export your resume in JPEG format. For this, you can select Save As Browse from the File menu and specify the storage location. And in the Save As type section, select JPEG. When you save, if your resume is in several slides, you can select all slides. And if, like me, you design your resume in one slide, you can select just this one option. When you return to the storage location, you will see that your resume has been exported in JPEG format. And I suggest you save the PowerPoint file as well. Maybe you need to change different parts of your resume in the future. And let me tell you one thing about saving the PowerPoint file. You may need to edit the PowerPoint file on another computer, and you may have used a series of fonts in this design that may not exist on another computer, so that you can paste the fonts you used in your work to your PowerPoint file and embed it. For this, you can use the File menu and the Save As when you click Browse and choose the Save location. When you set Save As time to the PowerPoint presentation, in the Tools section, in the Save Options section of the Save section, in this section, be sure to click the Embed Fonts in the File option, and then select the second option, Embed All Characters, so that all the fonts characters that you used in the design are saved along with your PowerPoint file and embedded in your PowerPoint file, so that you don't have any problems when you want to edit your file on another computer, and there should be no problem with your font, and then click OK and save. In this way, your PowerPoint file will be saved with the fonts we used. I hope that this part of this training course has been useful for you, that you can design your resume very creatively with the ideas I gave you in this part and the tips we learned, and move towards your goals very strongly. Good luck!